The Constitution of India. Part 6, The States. Chapter 2. The Executive. The Governor. Article 159. Oath or affirmation by the Governor. Every governor, and every person discharging the functions of the governor shall, before entering upon his office, make and subscribe in the presence of the Chief Justice of the High Court, exercising jurisdiction in relation to the state, or, in his absence, the senior-most judge of that court available, an oath or affirmation in the following form, that is to say, I, A.B., do swear in the name of God, that I will faithfully execute, the solemnly affirm office of governor, or, discharge the functions of the governor, of, name of the state, and, will to the best of my ability preserve, protect and defend the Constitution, and the law, and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of, name of the state.